Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Bluetooth device is powered or nearby. That prevents failed removals. Once you open Settings and tap Bluetooth, scan or refresh the list to reveal active pairings. Make sure you recognize the device name and whether it shows paired, connected, or remembered. That affects whether you will disconnect, forget, or fully unpair. If you see multiple entries, pause and pick the exact one to avoid removing the wrong device. Now you execute the unpairing. Tap the device row and choose Disconnect if connected, then select Forget or Remove to erase pairing data. On desktops, right-click or open the context menu and pick Remove. On phones, use the info icon, then Forget. Confirm any prompts. This clears bonds and saved keys. If a PIN prompt appears, enter it only if you initiated the removal. Otherwise, cancel and retry from Settings to avoid repairing by mistake. Finish by checking the device list to ensure the entry is gone. Once done, power cycle both devices to clear transient states. If the device still appears, make sure to reboot the host, reset the Bluetooth adapter, or clear Bluetooth cache on mobile. That removes stale records. As a final tip, if removal repeatedly fails, factory reset the accessory as a last resort, then repair only when necessary. This guarantees clean credentials and prevents accidental reconnections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.